What the fuck?
How do you turn on the microwave again?
You really gotta stop doing this shit, oink oink.
I'm sorry, I'm just really hungry.
Fucking hell. Barely can get any fucking sleep. Sorry, oink oink. Doesn't seem to be, well, functioning correctly.
Bull fucking shit, it's not.
Could you get it to fucking work?
Probably could get it working better than you.
Shut the fuck up.
What am I gonna do? I'm probably gonna starve.
Stop! Look, I'm gonna call somebody. They will fix it. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Why did you do that?
My will to live is gone.
You can't be this big of a faggot.
Yeah, I am.
Holy shit. Hold it together. Maybe you should try going to a fucking gym sometime.
I will never go to a fucking gym. Don't you ever say that shit to me again, bitch.
Oh, you're fucking fat.
Well, look, I want food now.
Stop being so fucking mad. We're gonna get you food. Calm down. Look, I'm sure there's something in the fridge you can get.
Check. String cheese?
Yeah, what's wrong with string cheese?
The fuck eats cheese? Who? I'm so fucking mad I could just... Ah!